So how was your day at work, man?
So. How about you?
I had to fill out so many forms again. Oh, it was just miserable.
Yeah, I'm really sick of this job. I'm sure you are too. So, you always tell me about this restaurant. I don't see what's so special about it.
I've heard that this place has the best turkey wraps in all of Miami. They're supposed to be amazing.
Alright, I'll try it.
Yeah, I think we should both have the turkey wrap.
Okay, we'll do it.
Welcome to La Pavo. I'm glad you're here. Water, something, beverage.
Yeah, the lady and I will both have a Diet Coke, and we decided that we're both going to order the special turkey wrap.
It's happy hour. You can have a drink 2 for 1.
Yeah, whatever. I want the turkey wrap.
Diet Coke, turkey wrap.
2 Diet Cokes. 2 turkey wraps.
Garçon! Release the turkeys!
Protect your neck, birds! Protect your neck! Protect your neck! Protect your neck, birds! Protect your neck! Inspect the pack! Yo, I smoke in the oven like smoking Joe Frazier, the pond raiser, cooking up with the flavor. Fuck Big Bird, that chicken ain't big. I've been flying overhead like your neighborhood spider pig. So gobble gobble, keep clucking. Well, I've been ducking out and getting stuffed with some stuff with the lone turkey. No head, no mercy. Deep in the dark with the art to rep the barn apart, the vandal, 2 out to handle. You brawl, you get cooked like butterball. Redneck, Inspector Pet is on the set. The bow creeping up on you like an owl.
It's the molting man for short, Mr. Molt, leading the revolt. Set it off, taking off through the air like a jet. Wild turkey's best not forget. Free range, turkey gravy bust my load. Turkey's crossing over like a chicken across the road. The pig says oink, the cows say moo. Fuck with the turkey, will murder your crew. I mean, you check out the beak like a hawk. Gobble gobble when I talk. Fry it off, cause I go good with sauce and the
smoke from this lyrical birds makes me. Protect your neck, bird. Protect your neck. Protect your neck, bird. Protect your neck. Protect your neck, bird. Protect your neck. Yo, it's the old turkey bastard.
Bagol, turkey, turkey, bagol.
Beak in your cheek and we feed it to the worm smack any farmer that tries to attack. I come fully packed with a flapping bagack. The old turkey bastard straight out the illest coop.
And I'll be damned if I let any man stuff up my center in summer or winter. Wanna eat my legs with some cranberry jam? You can't slam. Don't let me get foul on it, man. The old turkey bastard is dirty and stinking, so just keep on rolling.
Have a sack race.
Turkeys be rolling without a trace. Insane bass.
Bite my leg, I'll bite your motherfucking face. Protect your neck, bird. Protect your neck. Protect your neck, bird. Protect your neck. Protect your neck, bird. Protect your neck. Peace.